What's up, Impressive Builders family? Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do some carpentry work. I'm gonna build some farm. So if you're curious and want to know how a farm is made, just stay tuned to this video, people. And if you're new to the channel, I am Andre. You're watching Impressive Builders channel. So don't move a muscle, people. Stay tuned. Watch this video. This sheet of ply is gonna be cut into 3 pieces, 16 inches for each section. I'm using a chalk line to snap a straight line on each section that I'm going to cut. Yeah guys, so using 2x2 to make this farm. Cut off 8 feet off of these, put on the long side, the 8 feet section, which is the long side of the farm, and cut up some smaller pieces, which is the ribs, put in between. So please stay tuned. Using 2.5 inch wire nail to nail the ply on the 2x2. You can use screws if you want, people, so it varies based on what your preference is. I'm gonna measure each span 2 feet apart, and these are where the sharp pieces of board are going to fall. For accuracy, I'm going to square off each 2 feet span. Yes peeps, so the farm can be made in different ways, just the same. Right over here you can place another piece of board to strengthen that side, depending on what you're going to use the farm for, depending on the purpose. And the farm can be made using 1x3 lot. This is 2x2, or you can use 2x4, depending on the level of concrete you're going to pour. And it's the same way of making the farm, just that you're adding more strength to it when you place the board on this side, go straight through. And if you're going to use 2x4, it's more rigid, so it can bear more pressure. Yeah peeps, as I said before, this farm, this piece of ply is not new, so don't watch the look of it peeps. That is how you'll get your farm made. This is used, nail is used to make this. You can use screw, you can use drywall screw, or whatever you want to use. People have different preference, or people look at the cost and all those things, so it varies. Yeah peeps, so if you like up this video, just leave a comment and click the thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Alright people, so if you want to preserve your farm, you can store it in a dry place, keep it away from moisture. You can also use the used oil from the motor vehicle to paint on the farm. That will prevent it from the insect that will eat it away, like the duck and so you can paint on the black oil on it people. That will preserve it, allow it to stay longer, to get a longer use from the farm.